You can go out there and tell them, I want to get out and be on probation. I don't care what you guys want to do. The disrespect that y'all are showing to the officers, I can assume what these are going to say, because y'all are all out there. It's the same group that's doing all the same thing, fighting, not following instructions, talking back, calling names. I'm going to read all of that. And let me tell you, if you have one between right now and your sentencing, I will not accept this plea agreement.
Today we got this teen who thinks acting tough in jail makes him look cool. He and his friend were caught writing nonsense and bragging about annoying the guards like it was something impressive. But when Judge West reads that report, she instantly shuts him down. She tells him she can cancel his plea deal and give him 20 years instead. Still, this kid keeps acting like the rules don't apply to him just because he's young. But that excuse doesn't work in court. It just makes him look even worse. Do you think this generation has forgotten what responsibility really means? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's see what happens next.
Thank you, Ms. Malfino. All right, sir, are you Camden Jackson? And Mr. Harris, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me just a second to get done. Mr. Jackson, in cause number 20, all right, y'all marked third degree on the paperwork, but the indictment says second. I just want to make sure it's marked correctly.
Yes, I just looked at it sideways.
Okay, so that should be second degree?
Yes, Your Honor.
If with everybody's permission, I'll make that change on the paperwork?
Yes.
Okay.
And apologies for my handwriting because it's horrible.
It's hard on the tablet. You're good. All right, so you're charged in cause number 25 DCCR 0114 with the second degree felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity from January 10th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 7-year deferred probation. There would be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, which could include me ordering you to some upfront treatment or like ISF or something like that. And it looks like that's what the state's going to be requesting. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And that decision's up to me when we come back for sentencing.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, excuse me, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection, Your Honor.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Jackson's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you, your case, and then we'll come back later for sentence.
This guy has that empty stare that says, I don't care. Honestly, he deserves 10 years just for that haircut. It's that bad. Judge West stops for a moment to look deeper into his case, probably because something doesn't feel right. Some people think being quiet makes them look innocent, but in reality, it can make them seem suspicious. People say silence is strength, but sometimes it just looks like guilt. What do you think? Is he truly emotionless, or does he just not care about anyone but himself? Let's find out.